Today, I'm talking about product passion and how it can power your success with LifeVantage. It actually applies to just about any business. Passion is contagious. It raises curiosity and creates excitement. Genuine passion for LifeVantage products and a deep desire to help others can make up for a lack of experience, incomplete training, and other issues common to networkers in the early phases of their business. So how do we grow this passion for the amazing LifeVantage products? Basically, there are 3 ways. First, personal experience. Become your own walking billboard. Nothing can replace the confidence that comes from personal success with the product. Become a product of the product. Second, experience of others, especially those close to you that you care about. Also in the early days, you'll hear personal stories and experiences from people who have been using the products for months and years. Third, understanding LifeVantage products. Spend time reading and learning what our products do and why they work. One of our strongest value propositions is the strong science that surrounds our products. Knowing much about the product is not replacement for personal experience with it, but it can support your personal passion. This step will naturally grow over time. So don't worry about knowing the exact scientific terms. Just read and study as much about the products as you can. Learning about how the products work will be a natural ongoing process. On item number 2, experience of others. Make sure you do not spread stories or say things that imply a too good to be true or miracle claim about the product, because we value first-hand experience over anecdotes from people we don't even know. You should invite those with broader and deeper experience with the products to share with your contacts on calls and at meetings until you and your team have experiences of your own. Soon, you'll be telling others what LifeVantage products are doing for you, and you'll build your own library of people's stories who you've introduced to LifeVantage. Part of being successful in connecting with and describing product passion is to make it simple. Let's talk about how to simplify your product passion and product description by doing some exercises that customize the product experience for you. For this part of the training, it's helpful to take some notes. So switch over to your Notes app, or if you're as old school as I am, you can use a pen and paper. This is a good place to pause the video if you need to get set up. So let's start with something we call a product message architecture. First, write down 3 to 5 words that you feel best describe the benefits you enjoy from a favorite LifeVantage product. You might choose words like performance, focused, energized, confident, weight loss, pretty, etc. Once you've written down a few, circle the one word that best describes what you are most excited about. Next, make a list of another 3 to 5 words that you've heard others use to describe their experience with that same LifeVantage product. Of those 3 to 5 words, draw a square around 2 of them, or use a different colored font, along with the name of at least one person who you associate with that benefit. For example, if your sponsor, Liz, is always talking about losing some weight from the Physique Smart Weight Management products, put Liz's name next to lost weight. We're interested in naming names here because it's easier to be passionate about or for other people, especially people we know. If it's just the idea of a benefit for people in general, it's hard to convey genuine passion. When associations are personal, passions start to happen. The last step today is to spend some time learning what the products do. In today's email, it includes some links to other content that will give you some background on the products. You can also visit LifeVantage.com or check with your sponsor for great product information. Pick one product in the LifeVantage family, one you're really interested in, and take notes during a quick 10-minute learning about the product. When you're done, circle 2 or 3 key pieces of information about that product and make it a point to share that info with at least 3 other people today. Try to identify at least 5 people with product experience. Your sponsor is one, and he or she would be able to put you in touch with at least 3 others who would be happy to share their experiences with the products or the opportunity, or both. This is a great way to learn more about LifeVantage, its fantastic products, and its amazing people. Have fun with this one, because you're going to love it.